come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm a bro.
Mommy. Bra. Me no. Wona unmu ade me no na kasa. Asantu a me ma sedo na me di. Me pese me ka bibia fa wo ho. Because me say kra na ho ye me tan. When some cry machine. Why bun some be ma me ntu hu kra me pese me kasa ho.
Eni obewu o.
Me na wu.
Because so wo hu mi an so wo hu mi nie.
Ameka se me kiro. We warning kiti bi. Me nkan kwa akire. Na da me hu amesa akwa akire no. Me do nyame. Ebia me ni enu ntokwa ebesi wo school mu an. Eji so kofa obusuafo, unia mema mu, ene po school mu a, ema mo ne me beko. Enye sa, betimi ni watwe be 30 years. Me manso. Me pe manso si wo bia wo wiase. Me Befia, we did back on the Jamanson. But you watch Manson 10 years, 20 years.
You cannot only Casa. Hey, I don't know this.
Yes, I'm not catching me. And I'm getting a dear me. Just all right. So, Tino, Saboni, soon. All because of Sir Adam's Quasian Penny Wunty.
Hey,
the
way Cassano.
I won't
catch your Casa you. Kasayo who to say ben and yakono. Rakasayo.
And papa.
Rakasayo.
You say, Miss Anono.
Share.
So, we need the enemy country. Also, only me papa, the area, also whom the papa should buy. Shall we be able to ask my catch on? Said you, yes, at the next time, me and the baby can be a chairman on. I dear me, so no. Ubija. Sadly, Adams won't no conquer the end. Now, who are some women say?
Wom say is the same.
Me busa was some woman say.
Daddy, what a pepin and any chimp and I quite their family who be.
Hey,
aye.
Now, when you was some was I gave you. When you was some Adams. Kaonia crack it for we are quite chimp in every Adams cried a cat. I can school more you life here. Who said, Boss, who are Mitty Grass, only Adams were fano. Yes, who and I be down.
Wow,
yes, only I done
on no call, remember me when you are from you are done a once a year.
Say one I didn't
remember me, and as our Baba, and Nimne Papampo. Oh, I can't remember. I don't make out so. Why they? Mamma, boy, you would ya. Let's do any picture be mommy there.
Saying it's an honest, Russia gun or buy and no single Timmy Homo. Daddy, wouldn't you about answer best? What for sin will be our? Wouldn't you about no for? No, no, who's quite be your mouth for school about what for sin will be our school. The whole school now for me. Oh, quite see our champion. What's it? See ya. See a crowd in a chimpana. Going. Let's say the going. We banner be fan no see na for frabano be fan no see. We are na mudi. Go no syphilis. Why ni just say ya bia bi obi na nso magi bia fa. Magi atum. O be ka me na mudi benyame. Basanto ami nua die. Udi agrona di mi nua ba ba mu a. I said the odo nsa aka mani no.
Enti me ma wa ya we say me so eba ni me relationship sem ho a me fa ni agro ti se oyo aje so de me guy be di agro me so me do be di agro me do nya me metafiri wanim o betafiri wan me mani metafiri wanim oyo ho against me bo a ana so ya we na oyo ho oba so odi omu ade me bo na ma mo ya against am hu ma wie o am hu ma wie mo hu ba bi awie na mo kotena ye kotena he mo nya na mo nya mo se ya oi abrabo no ye nya ni se yo ebi mu nya no fufufu aka young girls I mean also nka osuasu anioma bi na hu de wo ye wo life no wo di school mu na mpena twi na jimi na wo ti me fo o ba betena me na me so me ho a o me ka kire wo me na me sa ama wa ha sa me ho a me ka kire wo me to bia me let me fo abrabo mama je yeah brother na de me tu fu mani ye yo me si ade na mu nim nyansa me ma je o ti me hia bibi o se de Utina eso kwa o utimi hia hye me buade e pa ho ba yo ba na me odi nkomo na be kam ti ho asema ho mitima daatu mitima se wani abanka bura fi mama ifonda tena wani asa ya kokko. Wa wo ye payfo wo girl no hu me kan. Hey man kan. We will beat baby say me serious girl. We salamatu. We ko no jina tables no jina no yesi. Man kan. Wa jim si wo bia me hu me kan. Wait.
O ka tell so ko e die ne.
Wo dia school ne dia. Uni baby also to aso. Oso ko say agege o. Na bo asawo na wo wi anu aba bi.
Ya uni baby also.
Na me kwan.
E fa nko Colombia. Grow for money.
Na so wo kira.
For boy masters wo.
Na say me ye de me kwa hihye. Me de mesia ma obi ahu esuban.
Hey, perfume rice. Ana nko abetina ya dundwen sa.
Boy. Ba se time ko.
Me ma wan chirim kra me nim de ntia wo dundwen. Ai.
Ale.
Aroma wa chira so e be mo.
Den.
Bra, me ni ajam rough.
Ale.
Ai. Bra, me dream nyina na wo afo feel ama me no. Kena me pese me ye nyina ana de ya akra.
Akra ben na obe jina o di nko.
Ase one mom says Scanty or John. One mom says Scanty na chigo bebre. Wetima bene na makra no ho a wetima anya ne he. Bra chame. Moni adwuma pa. Chame jo. Chiame.
Ale le na si.
Ah, mo. Why dey?
What's up?
Hey, precious asem na making.
Why then?
Ati a wole le papa ki, why wetima anya makra yi. We hado. Anya makra no.
Yo.
We hado.
My child san komo. Jana obe jina na me hard.
Oh, press ni say na.
My keep quiet. Why na anyim ho? Ah, also. Why na anyim ho?
Oh, anti oni ngila minimum.
Ale.
Oni precious ni say na me ka say.
Chale bibia ma adwen da me ti ha. Enye san komo na.
Eh, dey say akra no dey babias. Enye no hu bebre. Ha, me awe wa ka kire me nanti wo nyira.
Ah, killer. What's up?
I'm just wa ka kire me.
Oh, can't say me see me no da su jina na. Did say also.
Ah, ene 3 days say no say no echi. Me ko wa ka kire me, ka bia kire me.
Why na ka dey acho?
Na me ni precious wo fe. Ah,
won komo awudi.
Wasa ka kire me say onyem.
Na wa ko na obi fi na so.
Eno na chen wo yi akra no kra wi nka da kire me. Onyem. Mi njo tru.
Onyem na wa yi akra no nka da.
Wo yi kire me. Akra health insurance me weighing card maternity care bibia wo yi bibia kire me. Onyem precious onyem la minim waka kire me why enti no enti woni nyira sere ase minim no sere ase woni mu onyem
man listen minim ni enti odina by wo team so be bomb mfe na madidi nkomo bi na akoye misel out man ne wo kan enim e wo mu kwapo da na maka say bia say enim what I say
ku mo ma twantro da edinti na ese me konkonsa no koro no ye ka kire me a me kwa ko spread on dem me kire no but me pese me kire wo say se wonim se minim a minim me yawe se woni precious nyem
yo Opoku listen I'm say asama wo ka no ye say ye frɛ wo mpanyifo ni ma obetimi yi obetimi a defend wo
ai wonim za akra nyem
listen enkomo a wonim di no listen
say wonim so nyem ana
me bisa wa sen sisi asama ko report to my school authorities ni say who accuse me falsely a obetimi ko yi ho ana
accuse you
then it say na precious fine what kwati so nyem ade na che say me ade na odi san komo
so woni no na say woni na kreke
no obi kreke na che say obetimi anyem na na so
oh na dey say mo twempena dey ani say be ma intimi fa nkosho obi foforo what is the mechanism akwa be ma we nyunyu mu bebre we intimi be school ha intibia akwa na so we acha 9 months no awo afa no afa ne ba o metima build a nuclear family
yo killer jasa ne o ye no e mami ndwa o ba me ti ha mayedi onni mi nti ameti amayedi na wo san be ne be didi nkomo bi firi akọ
precious nyem na me matena me mahuto nyem na me no bedi hu nkomo say wa ya de
ba wo se precious ne bi na no kan sa asem kire wa na so bi ne di san nkomo ne so
akra de we yin card am say akra precious nyem onyem bouncing baby girl me can't throw onyem. She's a pregnant child.
Yeah, me pek when I know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me pass me come any monster Jamaica.
Yo, Asantua.
Oh,
And I'm your phone too.
what for me on day?
In short, until I'm your phone. Remember, channel, Tintin Dia. Send me to and say, hey, me baba be catch you say, Asantua, Miss Row. You who every minute, Scanty, any abano. Yes, you are no free. Why na ma wo kwan say akome me se wa honom right ben na wo ha right ben me no na kasa na yima no right ben na wo je say won Scanty dey tinti why you ho kenkom to ba beji asem ata wani asem boa kasa ya na wontime kasa me hu biem
Sa wo kwa asem na wo di kire me no me nenye last day what say when you saw the na umuadie mene enye last day what asem na me ka kire eti o stopping me na sa kwasi asem we na be ka kire me
koso udi mu asem eya me wanwanko asem emfa wo ho di ufi asem di ulemu na me so me ndi me lemu minim de ntase by
force stressing my boyfriend no what do you want me to do
me stressing your boyfriend
what stressing no now by force what the by shene kon by force no what do you want me to do
na wo be mu da ben
eya wo relationship fufuro bi mu a na say can say be man no side for no mo ni o mai bibie twem no mo stress aya na wa relax why
na me say we esi usimu sen
say
no watimi afaka anante pampan akome se wa honom sesen
na ndem etimi ai we dey say me nya ahwi o we dey metimi ai
because of Scanty me dey tie me you are no free asemu simple and short you are no free asemu me pese be ya ansa was me tia say wo se wo mu ade me channel times 5
sir
until you are no free asemu mini time am ne wo baba betutu ene me ya ba say me ba ne boko
so no ba na on saba
ena me ka che wo say me ba ne boko but and try me and our limit when the cast our limit ba ko e ma ne ntoso mienu entu na ye nsi mese wa ho next time I be tu na esi ho no me report wa ma police for so what
yeah ala ngwa ntina
why you ho say asem be ka bia like emfa ho
na bi police for no edu ase ni e be chechu now we ma men kan cho the whole world ko bia you dramatic when it comes to drama into me escape me that ko police station ko report me twen o me wa so bi dem me ko ba bia
sir
ko police station
na say de obeya na obeye
ko police station
there be na say de obeya na obeye
so ko police station
you man no na say de obeya na obeye obesa akoho
oh John say me
na say de obeya na obeye meboa we shall see ube hu wofunu.
What are you talking about?
I asked you several times. I called and asked you several times to tell me what was wrong with you, and you decided to hide it from me. Yet you went and informed Opoku that you were pregnant.
Aroma,
What's that?
I'm not pregnant. You are making Opoku manipulate you, really?
You're not pregnant.
You know how Opoku is. It's one man manipulate you. Oh.
So who told him that you are pregnant?
Opoku
You know the one?
No. Opoku came to me that Asantua told him that I am pregnant. And now you're coming to attack me.
Oh.
You like that too much. You like listening to people.
It's not that I like listening to people.
You like listening to
I
people.
thought you went and told him that. I'm sorry, okay?
You've heard something, so that's the reason you're shouting on me. And you know I'm not well. Instead of you to calm down and ask me that thing, you're shouting on me.
If that was the case, then I have every right
Now,
to be worried.
why will you come around and be telling people that I'm pregnant?
Connie, I was mad because You and I don't even know what's wrong with you. You told me you don't know what's wrong with you. So how did Opoku find out? Why? Why is he even spreading the news? Listen, what's today? Today is Tuesday. Okay, so Friday, I want to go to the hospital. Because we need to go and clear this. Let's go and find out what's wrong with you. Huh?
I don't want to go anywhere. I feel like the reason you are worried is because you think I'm pregnant. Just buy me a pregnancy test and we'll test it here.
At times it fails. Precious, you can't trust that results.
I don't want to go to the hospital and people will see my face in case I'm pregnant and the doctor will see me and know that I'm pregnant.
No, they don't disclose such information. Doctors know how to keep those
I don't trust
them.
Listen, just buy me pregnancy. Why are you pressing my hand?
What's that? Precious.
I'm scared. Why are you being aggressive? You hurt me and now you're saying sorry.
Let's go to the hospital, Precious. Please. Let's go to the hospital. Okay?
I will think about it. If not that, I'll go and buy the pregnancy test myself. Because it's simple. That's why we are in a modern world. You can just buy me a pregnancy test and I'll just do it.
Listen, the problem is I don't trust that thing. I do not trust any pregnancy test and I don't trust it. Let's go to the hospital. If the doctor says this was wrong, then we will understand. Can you? Okay? So I can stop bothering you.
Okay. But don't be listening to people. Somebody will not just come and tell you something. You just listen to the person, come and shout at me.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months at your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Yo. Hey. Asantua. Debbie. Enyam side.
Ade, that's it.
Asantua enyam side, enyam side because who me dada e was kumwa. E dia asem na koka chi Opoku Asantua.
Koka chi Opoku said it.
Ena Debbie o, why na catch us precious nim? Ena precious nim kwa why na se koka chi Opoku?
Na the precious no onyem. Precious no onyem o ti hanu ma o fifi a. O crevi ni ma o sha na be gina me kon so, me kon da apple, me kon do kwadu, me kon do ntefre. Eni e hwan onyem.
Now you see how bad you are.
How bad
Asantua.
you is?
You are very, very, very bad. Now say precious no when it team so na damfo na namo. When it team so no ni obi na nama nipa ko no eye na damfo. Na wakwa ye ni sell out.
Me makwa ye ni sell out.
Na wakwa na catch us onyem. Asantua me ba listen, let me tell you. Oh say ye ba form one nyina, oh say o menkasa o ho da. Me say what's the deal here? Me no nyina ho nkasa da.
Say me kwa menkasa.
Because obi a ne lie Asantua. Who hear lie na me hear me lie. Hey, Asantua who kill me me share my bull fucking.
Share. Aroma, who diagro? Aroma, you are playing with fire. Share.
With fire. Asantua. Me dey oba me lay my bull fucking.
Aroma. What's me ya machine?
Me to be no hey.
What's me ya me foko?
I am respecting myself because a school money o mrawa.
Share.
Talking about obi a onye nsan ya this year. Wo ye kan ye be basa ade ni mu enye wo na wo ye nipa boni ni wo sa side o.
Me ye nipa boni ni.
Wo koya wo de mma ye ba ma fanfula.
Aroma.
O de mma ye.
Aroma mi tenya me bodua. Aroma me bodua. Asema wo ni mu wo show be ka bi.
Obo wan ya.
Aroma. Aroma.
Jai some no.
Hey.
Why the news are like
bodua.
And I say yen kan ye ni. Yen kan
ni mu show be ka bi.
Madam yen kan e be say ye ni mo. Wachi akwa ne bade na kwa. Wo say nyame otu okama akwa na wu. Akwa ne wu wo yem.
Akwa na wu wo mi yem. Wo precious no. Wo precious no. Wo ne ku me ba no. Na me de asem we nyina ato nche. Na say me kan me ga. Mo pese mususu jegum ne sa sori o. Ene funne no.
Precious nku ba o kama na.
Mo bi kama na ku me ba.
Kama. Obi ba na wo de kwhye obi a. Obehu. Asantua me de oba ni mo na me ka kire no. So oye den. Asantua me ku na ko so ya me bu fucking.
We in the belt.
Oye den. Asantua me nya ta na na do tu ha.
Wo be go defense.
Yo man.
Jeez. Kebomia. Kebomia.
Yo.
Enkebo wa.
Aroma.
Santi ji wa no be me say dey tell me second one. I don't know na oje.
Asante then.
Bibi. Enye ne girl precious na anyem na. Me makoka ho asema ni boefu ani ntino. Ye nja no no omo me no.
Ne.
Enye ne girl precious.
Why then?
Ada make us na nsu ejina menu.
So on information now we to spread na Asante wa.
Oh. Asante.
Na wa ma ha ka meka.
Asante, tie mu dey say me patamo. Precious. Why then?
What then? Make us na nsu ejina menu. Me boefu me pede o ye no.
Why then? Huh?
Me so wanyem.
What da so kasa girl na nyem.
Na so person obi abeti aka wotutu nan ma ha. It's go tutu nan aba ha ne de o person obi ti. Se wo se meka.
What then? Huh? What's up? What friend babe? Me wiki. Now what you wiki?
Into you now.
Yeah. What friend babe? Yo, one can't tell me say girl we no lie. Hey. And I girl with the school man when pe. Hey. Girl wa woman be wu. Girl we no name school man jen pie we when pe.
There be enu de one episode didi
ma. Oh, one entire we chi no.
Yo be one episode didi ma te me ye jejenchie. Me ye jejenchie. Hey, Aroma.
Hwe no dina wachi wo ye.
There be ka he manim.
Hwe no dina wachi wo ye. Yo, one case asem na nchem say girl we no lie.
Me.
Only bisa no.
Scanty.
Me. Nipa say ketuwa bi Asante.
Mimi nipa say ketuwa bi. Girl we name school man we Aroma obi anka Asante.
Hey.
Elai.
Wa kwani he.
Obaka ni sika bi.
56
anka.
Si jana you ko follow ko. Ana mami njama na.
Wait.
Ngin ko.
Me nega era nyanya. Hey. Oh. No. Now you listen. A warning na me ba se me beto. Me beto warning Asante wa. So when guys are spread this information na say me sign ba ha bi ma, e be him dey free school mo. I'm telling you.
Hey. Sure, watch it. No tell me na kwai.
Na makacho no. O so nya na hwi na yo.
Aya so oni Asante e be ku. Hey, Scanty.
Na makano. Imi yesala ina abuna mebu na yimadi. Yo. Adai. Adai. Asembe na makofa ban.
Asma na Asante kan na.
Oh, mama mfa mu jimi fi ombo. Ombo.
Yeah, my way dey say nka daddy ti anka.
Hey, massa, daddy ti dan.
Daddy ti asem we say.
No, the last time I sha say o dream me ho. Daddy ti dan. Yes, say o dream me ho. Say daddy ti a. Yo, me bawo. Listen. Say no question me manyem precious kwa na ade na why do you care?
Na me kan me kwa den kam ni problem only precious wa like akra no class I me ba me ni ageto. But we need daddy.
No nya me ni daddy asem. Say nya wo lie.
No say suppose school one on na wona say
eno na nya me lie Adams. Enya me lie me ni daddy asem.
Won ti de me kan no. E only daddy asem ba won say e ba sa daddy. No say daddy yemi na me ni da so ani wo.
Ni just on eme.
Na ye won ti ko nyim akra wi sisia.
Na wo.
Na ro me de.
Ha, say wo na school and wo nim say wo gijaw.
Me de.
Hey Adams.
Daddy ye nda me so.
Na say daddy o boka gu.
Onim say nye yi. Ana o jame say anso enyi. So de me na me ni da so ano. So do ko fani say we ba sisia ko nyim akra wi ampa.
Adams.
Oh my dey fine.
See me. One, nyinsen bi ani ho. E na se nyinsen bi wo ha, enye me masem, enye wasem. Yo. Oba honom na me ka say onige on equal line. Asa na why style.
You are one way jai sa jimi. Honom na be ka sem nige na equal line. Hey, I don't know where unsu adwen kakra. E hona be ka sem nige na equal line. Wedi kan hia mo animo, wo bi same ma you are no sentisa. Gain ani na be bi same.
Na se o se me ka che o Adams. Me can say much.
Na me na me pese me nya daji na nka mo mienu na me blast mo buy. Na me 50 cedi na me hu.
Na you 50 no.
Say me buy man still that. Ni na me jam.
Adams. Now me assembly me tie ko ni kwan san kam say me time ka bebu sa because so minim say wo beye. E na wagino no na o yi na no de nam ha. Me go for the moment in Biano.
Aroma girl no make bibia ne bibia no.
Oh then.
Na de na mo ye no na me bu.
Asantoa.
Oh, judge me. O fena be.
Boy ne sisi all the you say Arabia will be Adams.
No lie.
Now do ba bia woni je.
No lie, Asantoa de me fana. Asantoa de no lie. Asantoa de can be fair. Asantoa de no lie. Asa o Madam Catherine.
Mate fe fa o Jimmy for sia man.
Madam Catherine ko afa na ma fa Asantoa. Ne tikobi. But we don't press man in yes.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Oh, for Opoku. Oh, for Opoku. Opoku, I was coming to you.
For what? For what?
I wanted to say I'm sorry.
You wanted to say you are sorry. Sorry for yourself. Sorry for your face. And sorry for your whole body. A chip of it.
Okay, you know you and I, we can never fight. We always fight and come back together.
Madam. This time around, I'm in my relationship. I'm thinking about myself. I'm thinking about me and my relationship. Don't come and spoil my relationship for me. I'm really busy in my relationship. This time around, I'm focused. You understand? Go far away from me.
Opoku, you know that when we fight, it's either I will apologize to you or you apologize to me. And this time I know I'm at fault. So I'm coming to say I'm sorry. I know it's because of all this that you're accusing me of being pregnant. And you know I'm not pregnant.
Flo, you are pregnant. You are pregnant.
I'm not pregnant.
You are pregnant. Why are you lying?
Either scratch that.
You are pregnant.
I want to give you gist.
Gist.
Check whether there's somebody here.
There is a nobody. A gist.
Sure? So there's nobody there?
No.
No.
You have a gist. Are you sure? A gist about what?
So and everybody in the school knows. So I don't think it's a problem that I'm telling you. But since you've not heard, let me tell you. I don't think you've heard.
Right now, I say I'll stop the concern. I'll stop. Right now, I know that concern it's not help me, not send me anywhere. So the concern.
If you are not interested, I'll go.
Oh, but you can tell. It's okay. At least I'll put it back in my mind. Tell me.
Do you know that Scanty's child, Britain's child, is not for Scanty?
Pardon?
Scanty's child is not for Scanty. Scanty and Britain's child is not for Scanty.
Come again.
The child they've all been fighting about in this school is not for Scanty. You now get it. So should I go or you are interested?
Relax.
Are you interested?
Relax. Scanty child. The Scanty and the Brita child. It's not for Scanty.
No.
So it's for the who?
So you have to sit down for me to tell you because it's huge.
Oh, I'm okay.
Yeah, okay. Say black. Calm down.
My heart.
Your heart.
The child, it was black.
Yes.
How? Where? Which? Who? They? Them? How can I possible? How? Me? She? Has? How? Hey! Oh my God! How can I be possible?
How can you be possible?
Yeah, the issue. How can I be possible? Hey! We just say land. How can I? No. Tell me it's not true.
It's true.
Say black.
Say black. They said they had they had their own affairs before Britta came to the school.
So they know themselves before the school.
Yes. So that's a black that is acting like you're good.
Hey, and you make us school, papa.
Just a black no cry. He has been acting like he likes me. Every time, Precious, are you okay? Precious, are you
Don't mind her. She's not a good. Don't mind her. Listen, Britta come to this school.
Yes.
With a baby. And she looking for Scanty. You remember that issue?
Yes.
I call you and I ask you. You say you don't know, and later you tell me. So how come it go and turn and the child is for say black? Why didn't Britta come and ask for say black? He asked for Scanty. That's the question.
I feel like she wanted to give it to somebody who can maybe support easily. Maybe say black is married or something. So you get it. Maybe say black is married, so she doesn't want to be in that kind of triangle.
This school, anything is possible. Anything is
possible.
Apart from me and you relationship, anything is possible. Apart from me dating you, that is impossible. But apart from that, anything in this school is possible. Everything can happen. Say black.
Britta. It can even be that it's not for say black. They've asked the girl to do DNA, so she said she will not do it.
The girl says, what Jimmy Anna? I don't want Jimmy Anna.
She said she will not do DNA.
She
will not do the DNA.
Precious, I'm coming, yeah? I'm coming. I'm coming.
Opoku, wait. See, I never film issue, no. Fucking boy. Come to talk about me, my issue.